Does it really matter what you eat? If you're on the bulk, you just need to get the calories right. My guy, it fucking matters. Are you weird? Do you think eating 5 donuts equals to eating 3 eggs or 5 eggs? Do you really think that equals? Let's say the calories are identical. Do you think these two foods match each other on a health level? No, they fucking don't. Shut up. They don't. If you eat 5 unhealthy shit or 5 good shit with identical calories, they are not good. There is a reason why one is healthy and one is called unhealthy. Because one is unhealthy and one is healthy. For example, eggs. What will you get with that? Boost in eggs. Boost in testosterone. Health. Protein. Calories. On a healthy way. They're like the kind of natural food you get. The chicken make an egg. You eat the egg. Unlike we have a donut. Donut is baked. It has on it the chocolate with sugar, with many fucking refined chemical and other random shit, sugars, chocolate plants, whatever the fuck else they got. You know, they got those color making stuff and they put on like those tiny little pieces on the top of the chocolate. Yeah, that's all fucking chemical we made and the shit, you know. It's unhealthy. Unlike the egg is healthy. What healthy does donut bring you? Thing number 1. Oh, nothing. It doesn't bring anything healthy. It brings you the calories, but it also brings you the sugars. Decrease in your mood, decrease in your motivation, decrease in your vibe. It makes you more fat, it makes you more likely to get cardiovascular diseases, etc. Like, what the fuck is the good in that? You only get the calories fast. But if you spend like 5 more minutes, for example, right? You would have eggs, scrambled eggs, for example. You get the healthy protein, you get the healthy calories. You get the boost in fucking testosterone, mate. Do you know how fucking important that is? And you also get the good kind of nutrition to boost your whole fucking body functioning. And not just that, you're not going to get sugars, you're not going to get bad stuff in your blood, and you're not going to get anything bad from what the donut brings you. So you're not gonna get anything bad from the donut, and you're gonna gain the good stuff like testosterone boost, more protein, healthy kind of food, healthy nutrition. You're gonna get good stuff if you eat 5 eggs, and it only takes 5 or 3 to 5 more minutes. That's the only difference. And guess what? You're gonna save some money. Yeah. So think smarter next time you buy stuff. Is this healthy or is it not? And if it's not, I know you wanna eat it, mate, but think about it long term. After you eat it, are you gonna be like, God damn, I'm so happy I ate that shit. God damn, it's nothing better I could do than eat that fucking shit. No, you will not say that. You enjoy those 5 seconds that it was tasty, but after that, boom, the taste is gone. And you're gonna have a worse mood, like probably right after. I mean, it might increase your testosterone while you're eating it, but it's gonna decrease it in like few minutes, 30 minutes, 1 hour. You're gonna feel like shit because you ate the shit food. So don't eat the shit food, eat the healthy food, man. You're gonna save some money and you're gonna save yourself some health. And guess what? With healthy food, you get more benefits. It might be harder to eat, but it's bloody worth it. Stay hard.